Well, we all know that Florida's hot, but today it's extra hot, extra hot. As you can see, I'm basically drenched. I went running with my mom. Not a good idea. And it's 3 o'clock in this hot sun. But I have a drink that will help cool us down. So, if you like pina colada and fresh strawberries too, if you like staying cool, I have a drink for you. Well, I'm going to go downstairs to get my ingredients. Got them. So for this recipe, you're going to need ice, strawberries, and Bacardi Pina Colada mix. First, we are going to add the Bacardi Pina Colada mix. I forgot to mention that this drink is completely alcohol-free. Now, adults, if you would like to add alcohol to your drink, feel free. Next, you're going to add your 7 strawberries. Add 2 cups of ice. Now mix. Okay. Time to add another 2 cups of ice. Probably wondering why so much ice. Well, your answer is because it activates the drink into being a nice, wonderful, luscious smoothie so that you and your family can enjoy. And if the ice decides to be difficult, just take a spoon and smush the ice down next to the blades. Because there's no escaping ice. There's no escape. Now that has finished blending, you must safely remove the knife thingy, blender part. And your masterpiece is complete. So good. Thank you guys so much for watching this freeze-tastic video. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, and turn on those post notifications so you never miss another video. Now I'm going to enjoy the rest of this drink.